morning, people. Welcome to my channel, Wayfarianfx, where we are soon going to launch, package freebies of around the world. I would request you to kindly register yourself over here so that you get a call, and we will let you know about the procedures. And it is a beautiful thing for all the traders around the world to get into it and enjoy life as well at the same time. So, would you like and subscribe and share as well? So we come back to our today's session of understanding fundamentals and the technicals bit of it. As I see that today being Friday, we know that today is a very important day, is because there are news which can give a lot of volatility in the market, and this is what we are going to. I mean, at 5:30, I've got important news like market just can go haywire from whether bullish or bearish. However, we have to keep in mind is where it is going to go and take the proper risk. Yeah. Now, yesterday when we discussed, let me tell you that if you remember, we did discuss the range yesterday between 2666 to 2603. Now, if you look at this zone, the market yesterday itself touched this and then still came down. It actually tried crossing this, but this was a buy zone, which is a little bigger though. But I've kept that is because the market has not been, crossing this or this for a longer period of time. So if you look at it, the market did come down today as well. It started over here morning 2630. That is the point of discussion today. 2630, and like we always say that if the market is going down, then we consider sell. Now even if you consider sell over here, keeping this as your stop loss, you see that the market did touch our range of 2618. In fact, it went further down to 2613 and then moved forward. However, it was in this buy zone. Now this was a perfect buy zone that we have created. It did go up. In fact, now it has crossed the the discussion point of 2630 as well. So what we understand is when the market goes up, and we knew about this is because initially when the market starts right in the morning, early in the morning, you will see there can be a fake movement, correct? And that always happens, but you can always make money into that and then just remove it and wait for the confirmation back again. Now if you see the market has crossed this thing, it has closed, and we know that it went up ahead and we would consider a buy. Now here's one thing, because we have the 2630 as this pivot point, right, of 2630, market now, since at over here, of course we will consider buy till here, till 2652, right? So let's understand this from the perspective of just showing the path, right? So market went here, now the market is over here. Let's understand this. If the market goes below, if it crosses this and closes below this, then you can expect market to again touch 2625, where you can take your first profit. Yes. And then if it goes further down, then you have another profit level of 2617. Yeah. Now, and if from 2617, if it crosses this, yeah, then you have this bigger zone of 2603, which it will certainly try to cross. And because here if you see, now it has given up a low over here. It will, if it crosses, and if it crosses 2630 and tries to come down in this manner, it will certainly try to test this level, this support level, and try to cross it further and get a lower low than this, yeah, which is 2603. However, if it goes now from here, since it's fallen down right now, it will try to test 2630. If it is not able to cross this, then it will certainly move back up. And that's where from 2630 you can take your first take profit. I mean, you have this thing as 2642 back again, correct, as your take profit, and then wait for the confirmation again. And if it goes back again, it will try and touch 2652. And if it crosses today, then it has this level of 2666 as getting into the point. Now, if you look over here, now that the market is coming a little down, we have to wait for the confirmation whether it crosses and closes below this point or no, because there is a possibility that after this, like we say, that if you connect this dots of reaching over here, which it has, and then it is showing some kind of retracement, some kind of correction which is there, and if it doesn't goes below this, it will certainly move up back again to 2652. So I want you to this is where you don't take the positions unless you get the confirmation, correct? So let's see if it gives upper high or if it tries to lower down and cross 2630, right? And that is where you take your decisions, you take your deals, which can be beneficial. Yes. Excuse me. Now, however, the range still remains the same. This is one range which is safe enough, so you know that you can wait till you have to open sell over here and buy over here. And this is the sell zone and the buy zone where you can observe and wait, because if the market is not crossing this and going above, you know that you have a good buy position right here till here. And if it, of course, the same goes over here as well, or vice versa. If you look at the Bitcoin, yes, it did cross 103 and so, but it has come down today. However, we still don't say that it will not, is because it's still into the bullish momentum. So you just have to wait and watch and then take your positions at the right time. You see there was a very huge dip, touched 90. This was a liquidity sweep that it just took over, so I'm sure a lot of people might have got entangled in this though. So just don't take a lot of risk if you don't have good capital, is because you know how the range goes with Bitcoin, how the fluctuation goes. It's like in a matter of seconds it just can travel this faster, right? However, with gold, let's see, if we understand you look at this range, it's still just going under the same range since a long time, and now it's the time where it should, like we said in this week, we discussed this in the weekly video. Please go ahead and check the weekly video which we made on Sunday night, and we discussed about the range for the week, and it is exactly doing the same. So enjoy yourself, guys. Probably by this Sunday, you will get the weekly session for the next week coming up. However, today being Friday, make sure that there can be a lot of volatility and fluctuation, so you trade safely. If you don't want to put a lot of your risk, capital at risk, then please don't. You can always relax. The money saved today can be played tomorrow, but the money lost today won't be able to we won't be able to play tomorrow, correct? So if you don't feel confident enough, if you're not taking the risk properly, if you don't play safe, you will not have nothing to play tomorrow or day after, right? So kindly make sure that you do that. And that is all for today. You have a wonderful day, and have a great week.